Hi, my name is Corey. I'm Corey. Would you get? Are you mixing yours up? Are you? Yeah. Okay, mix yours up, Jalen. Mix it up. No, you can't only do that, you cheater. You have to twist it too. Both ways. Twist it both ways. I nearly should mix it. Okay. Hey, I see what you did. You cheater. Quit biting me. That day Mimo said stop biting me. You're gliding me. Gliding me. Get what? What is gliding me? Jalen, wait. I'm asking you a question. What's gliding me? Jalen, what's stop gliding me? I said biting. Boy, you say gliding me, and I don't know even what gliding me is. I said bye. You said bye me. I just said bye me. Fool. Bye me.
How did I do that? That would be the deal on how did I do it. Well, it don't matter how I done it. So once that motherfucker stamped and signed and gone, it's a done deal.
Freaking punk.
You're like, that ain't my hand, right?
Punk. What you getting, punk? How much time? Stop. Beanie. Jan, you're a beanie. You're genius. You're a beanie. Okay, genius.
You buy me out, I'll buy you out.
You're genius.
So I got to either get my name on.
Oh yeah. Say, you're missing out on the video. You're a stupid beanie. Boy, shut up. No, genie. No, what is a genie? Huh? Dingling. Tell me what that means, fool. Dingling. What does dingling mean, dummy? Dingling. What the dingling mean, fool? Dingling. Shut up. Dingling. Boy, if you don't shut up. Dingling. Shut up. Dingling. This freaking dingling stuff. Dingling.
You was in love.
CJ, shut up.
I will, yeah. I was trying to.
Dingling.
You trying to do right?
CJ, if you don't shut up. Why Dingling? My name is not Dingling, fool. No, Dingling. Your name ain't no Dingling, fool.
Good guys do that.
It's not my name, okay?
That's what I say. I say that all the
Did
time.
you hear me? Quit calling me
They
that.
always the one to get hurt in the mixture everything.
What call you
Dingling?
You can't call me nothing. Now quit. Can I call you Dingling? No. What can I call you? My regular name. Waylon.
Hey, hush.
Yep.
Really, you know, honestly, truth for feeding. She really didn't have much shit, so really. No.
Yep.
Stupid raccoon.
Mine,
I was just
Ain't no mess. There won't be a next time.
I didn't want to show you that, but I'm still waiting. So I'm just taking a break. Old women walking. I'm showing this car. This stupid old car. Whose car, Tim? No, that. It's like, hey, we're far. How is that close? Look.